Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TradingView lagging problem in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, you just have to simply launch any of the charts. Now, if you are facing the problem where TradingView is not working properly or lagging, on this particular chart, you just have to basically look for the indicators. If you are using too many indicators like RSI, MACD, volume tools, sessions, multiple moving averages, it can slow down your browser a lot. So here, in order to remove them one by one, you just have to hover over to the top, then simply click on this drop down menu. So it is going to basically show you the number of indicators that you are using. So whichever indicator you want to delete from here, simply click on this remove button right next to it and it will be removed. You can also right click on the chart, and then from this particular list, you can also click on the option of remove all indicators. If you want to remove them all, just keep only 1 to 3 max indicators on your TradingView chart. Now, if the lagging problem still persists, you can just simply turn off any of the heavy drawings on your chart. So if on your chart you have a lot of drawings, you just have to simply remove them. Now you can also lower the chart quality from the settings. For that, simply just right click on the chart, then click on the option of settings. In the settings, you just have to look for the option of the appearance. So here, when you are able to find it, you just have to turn off some of the stuffs like smooth candles or extra effects or any advanced visuals. So this is also going to reduce the load and improves the speed instantly. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.